Hello everyone, this is gamer named Azim and this is episode 4 and another tutorial video. For this episode, let's talk about trailers, movie trailers.
You will. I wait.
I think it'd be more relaxed if you took up other hobbies. Just think about it. Craven the golfer.
That is how it is done. Can you catch this? Now you know the power of Goodbye!
Be honest, do you think I'd look good with a mustache?
Slow, too slow. Goodbye!
Lights out, Craven. This hunt is over. And as the victor, I command you to leave.
How we can use gaming to it. Let me show you some example.
Okay. Can somebody tell me what's going on here?
Spider-Man, you are needed.
Madam Web? As if this night wasn't strange enough already.
The Tablet of Order and Chaos is the most powerful of all the mystic artifacts in the world, and you shattered it.
Yeah, sorry about that. Guess they don't make tablets like they used to, huh?
The pieces are now fragmented across other dimensions, dimensions that are strange reflections of our own, a past unlike ours, a present day out of sync, and a distant future which may or may not come to pass.
Is that a cartoon pig?
Focus. I require your help. Yours and the help of these 3 other Spider-Men. The heroes into whose realities the tablet fragments fell.
Whoa, slow down. Other realities? Other me's?
Yes, I have explained our dire situation to them. They will be your allies in this quest.
But I'm the most charming, right?
You must gather all the pieces of the tablet before they fall into the wrong hands, or our reality, as well as theirs, will be utterly destroyed.
Yeah, right. No pressure or anything.
Again, you see the footage that I just showed you. What exactly is it about? Yes, it's about Spider-Man, and it's not directly correlate to the previous movie that I mentioned, which is Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. This is about Madam Web.
And that's called breaking and entering. Hey, look what I found.
Excellent work. A job well begun is half done. Now to another Spider-Man, and to bestow a different gift upon him.
Fingers crossed. They're all gonna be this easy to find, right?
No. But now, I must turn my consciousness to the future, and to...
Ow. Ow.
That was a good warm-up. So when do I get a real challenge?
I fear it will be sooner than you think. And finally, I turn my attention from the future to a world set in the past.
Easy.
And that's the end of that.
No, Spidey, it's just the beginning. Across many dimensions, these 4 fearless Spider-Men, in all their various incarnations, must fight to reassemble the Tablet of Order and Chaos. Not just for the sake of their own worlds, but for the fate of every world, in every dimension. Good luck, web-slingers. We're all counting on you.
You've recovered the first quarter of the tablet. Excellent.
I've always been good at scavenger hunts.
Like moths to a flame, those with evil hearts will be drawn to the unleashed power of the tablet, gaining new and frightening powers. So far, you have been fortunate that none of them have fallen into enemy hands.
Why'd you have to go and say that? Man, what a jinx.
What you see in the footage is hype for the teaser trailer of Madam Web that is coming out on February 16, 2024.
Another gift! I refuse to yield.
Looks like
Excellent, Spider-Man. You've done it!
And just in time. If I never hear the word hunt again, it'll be too soon.
Now to the other fragments. Hunt resumes.
so yes, it may not directly correlate, but I'm trying to get you guys hyped so you guys can be ready for it. However, the problem with this thing is that timing, because you can't exactly tell when or first footage, new episode, new footage, etc. to come up, to drop. All you have to do is make prediction. This is my analysis from what I gathered based on my knowledge of watching movies all the time. I've noticed that the first trailer or first teaser, it will drop mostly less than 7 months before the official release date.
Chill out, Mandarin. We're not happy about being here, but there's a few questions we need the answers to.
I am no commoner for you to question whenever you wish. Be gone, or I will destroy you, Ms. Marvel.
Sorry, no can do. We saw you in Atlantis, and we need to know why you were there.
I have no time for your senseless ravings. Ultimo will deal with you.
In this one, what I'm mentioning is the Marvel's teaser trailer. Yes, it is most disliked. I don't know why. Based on the time that it dropped, I managed to calculate it. I could be wrong. So my recommendation when it comes to this, you have to post it at least 2 weeks before it happened, before you believe it happens. So, or perhaps at the start of the month. And here's another example.
Not even the toughest of enemies were a match for his sheer bodacity.
Well, well, who do we have here?
I am the Dragon Warrior. Now step aside, bad guy. Of the best, followed him wherever he went.
I see you like to chew! Perhaps you like to chew on my fist!
Enough talk. Let's fight!
Now, another example, what you see is Kung Fu Panda. And yes, there's a movie of it, Kung Fu Panda 4, coming out in March next month, or next year. I predict all these things based on my knowledge, my past knowledge of watching movies all the time, and I checked every teaser trailer that I watched, and I still remember them. Captain America Civil War and Captain Marvel. I noticed that more footage will surface at least a week before the movie released. That's my opinion. It could be earlier, because there are certain things you have to take into account. Like, for example, D23 that is coming this year.
Come on, that's the best you can do.
Try him.
Come on, that's the best you can do. Come on.
Anyone ever tell you how clever you are? No? Well, there's a...
Like that.
Thank you, Spider-Man. The floating head lady appreciates your assistance.
Yeah, sorry.
In 3 months. And another thing, there is Super Bowl on February, which I don't know if Marvel is available. I mean, sometimes Marvel is. But the one thing, D23, there are times they don't show exclusive footage on the internet for spoiler alert, which is true. I don't blame them. However, they normally would show it Super Bowl or perhaps...
This new spider sense is a trip. Either I'm not used to it yet, or I'm sensing one of the fragments closing in on me. Nope, I was right. Well, at least I found it.
Spider. Don't fade on me yet.
What are you supposed to be? A demonic kumquat?
You can call me Hobgoblin. Every Spider-Man needs one.
Newsflash, Hobby. You're not my first goblin.
But this goblin has one thing the others never had.
The fragment?
Yes. And with its power, I'm going to tear this world apart.
Yes, CinemaCon. Between these two.
Don't take this the wrong way, but the more I get to know you, the less I like you.
Oh, but there's so much more to learn about me. Take my psi powers, for instance. Not bad. Let's see what happens when I add Fragment's power to the mix.
What's happening? This can't be real.
Welcome to my reality, Spider-Man. Hope you survive the experience.
Get rid of these flying creatures as soon as you can.
You look so small down there.
Take that! Here's some for you.
Look who's running scared! Just need that looks like it. This! I suppose I'd run away too if I were you.
Give it a rest.
CinemaCon and Super Bowl.
Yes, run!
I think he dropped his.
Why don't we go for a ride?
You keep bragging about your fancy wings. Let's see you land without them.
You've done it, Spider-Man, and not a moment too soon.
You said it, Red. Now, let's take a better look at these. Looks like nanofibers fused with bioorganic circuitry. Only one corporation has technology advanced enough for this. Alchemist.
I hope some of you can learn something from this video. Seriously, you can tailor any game to fit whatever topic you're trying to cover. Hope you guys enjoy the hype. There'll be more relevant content in the description down below, just such as my 3 episodes, my previous episode. And also, I will put my hype channel, over here, so that you guys can go there and get hyped.